Social media is fun, but requires constant work to maintain. And when you're running a fast-running online business, there might not be time for that. That's where Social Rabbit comes in. Our ultra-clever, hard-working plugin that automates all your social media activity so you can keep a social media presence while also promoting your store's products and content. Social Rabbit works on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram, so you can conquer social media marketing. Just look at some of these real-life posts made by this clever solution. Quality, engaging posts created in minimal time. They look like well-crafted posts from a social media team that took weeks to plan out and create, when in fact, they didn't. When you have Social Rabbit, you simplify your social media efforts with a four-legged companion that can reach the top of 4 social networks for business. All you need to do is install, set up your post frequency, images, and captions, and let Social Rabbit run off and do its magic. Drive traffic and leads to your website, all while saving time. Social Rabbit helps you post about your store's products to maximize your potential sales. Share articles from your blog to connect with your followers. Engage with your followers via entertaining posts created by a clever algorithm. Collect analytics on your posts to track results. Reach thousands of people all over the world today and build a community and customer base for your online business. Get your WordPress plugin. Get your Shopify app. We're confident you'll be amazed by the prowess of Social Rabbit. Give it a free 7-day trial today and see what it can do for your social media game.